Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your WordPress site more user-friendly and polished, today's tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to show you how to change the default search URL slug in WordPress. This is a small tweak, but it can make a big difference for both visitors and search engines. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your WordPress site. Take a moment to look around the homepage and familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where things are will make this process much easier. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the login option. Go ahead and click on it to get into your WordPress dashboard. If you see the option to continue with Google, this is a quick and secure way to log in. Simply select your account and you're in. No typing passwords, no extra steps. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Pages section in the dashboard menu. This is where all your static content lives, your homepage, about page, and other key pages. Spend a few seconds here to get comfortable with the interface because you'll be making edits soon. Now, let's focus on the slug. The slug is the part of the URL that comes after your domain name. For example, if your page URL is www.example.com/search, search is the slug. Why does this matter? Well, a clean and descriptive slug helps visitors understand what the page is about, and it also improves your SEO, making it easier for search engines to rank your content. Click on the link that takes you to the slug editing area. When the editor opens, take a look at the current slug and think about how you can make it clearer. Keep it short, simple, and relevant to your page content. Avoid long or complicated words. This is all about clarity and usability. Here's a little tip. Use hyphens instead of spaces like new search page because this is better for readability and SEO. Also, make sure your slug is unique. You don't want two pages with the same slug. It can confuse visitors and search engines alike. After you've made your changes, double check your input. Make sure it looks neat and represents the content accurately. Once you're happy with it, hit the save button or publish if your page is still in draft mode. And just like that, your new URL slug is live. Now, if you visit the page, you'll see the updated URL reflecting your changes. Your site is now more user-friendly, your URLs look cleaner, and search engines will have an easier time understanding your content. Changing slugs might seem small, but it's one of those tweaks that really improves the overall experience of your website. And the best part, once you know how to do it, you can update slugs for any page anytime. That's it. You've successfully changed the default search URL slug in WordPress. Enjoy the cleaner URLs, improved navigation, and the little boost this gives to your SEO. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, small changes like this can make a big difference for your visitors. Keep experimenting and exploring, and your WordPress site will keep getting better and better.